Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about Vechain coin. What's the current price of Vechain coin and what is the next target of Vechain coin? As you know, today is the start of a new month. That is why I decided to detect the next target of Vechain coin on the basis of technical analysis friends. So keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now friends, if we talk about the current price of Vechain coin, so the current price is about 0.200866 USD dollar is the current price of Vechain coin at this time friends. And if we talk about the price change occurs, so the price change, the last 1 hour change as negative, last 1 day change as positive, and last 1 week change as also positive friends. That means that only the last 1 hour change is positive friends. That means that the entry of the Vechain coin into the new month as negative friends. But that's not mean that only and only over and over falls occur in the Vechain coin. That means that after some falls they take a high jump and they recover these negative change friends. And as we can see, the both changes are positive, so that's mean that the April month of Vechain coin is a jumping month friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Vechain coin. As we can see here on the screen, that is the last 1 month price prediction chart of the Vechain coin friends. If we look the price change occur in the Vechain coin, so the last 1 month price change is about 132.89% positive change occur in the Vechain coin. The highest price of the Vechain coin in the last 1 month is about 0.278031 USD dollar is the highest month of the Vechain coin friends. As you can see here, at the start of new month they take a high jump. As you can see here, take a jump, gradually they move upward friends. As you can see here, and after some passage of time they again falling period of the Vechain coin or starts now friends. And as you can see here, at this point they again take a jump friends, as you can see here. So that means that now the jumping period of the Vechain coin or starts now friends. If you look the price change on the basis of technical analysis, so they continuous travel between this turn. As you can see here, they move upward gradually move upward, and they can hit approximately 1 USD dollar in this month friends. What's your opinion about Vechain coin? Can they hit a 1 USD dollar in this month or not? Please share in the comment box your opinion. And friends, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe is very important for all of you. I update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies and news friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.